Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Warren, and I just wanted to send you a quick message. We're going to be sending out some really great lessons for you guys next week to make sure that no one gets behind. It's been really crazy, I know. This is something that I never thought that would happen. Of course, you don't either. And we've put some really fantastic things for you, and we'll be out next week, actually on Monday. And I've been working on them currently. Now, I do want to emphasize a few things, some expectations for these, and some ways that we can communicate with each other. First, yay, dogs, perfect timing. They only do this when I'm filming. Hazel. So anyway, they will be in order, meaning that there'll be like day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. So we really want you to do them in order because, well, history is chronological and we teach that way. So we don't want you skipping around and miss one part of the story and not be able to understand the next part. So do those in order. Now I'm going to be sending out some messages on Remind here and there, not too many. I don't want to overwhelm you, but most everything will be on Canvas. Now, since January, we've been using Google Classroom, but to make it simple across the district, everybody's been posting things on Canvas, so look there for your lessons. Next is that we're going to be doing some self-paced Pear Decks. Some will be HyperDocs on Google Slides. So make sure that you're following the directions before you click on the link. So some that you have to make a copy for, some you'll have to submit through Canvas. Pear Deck will automatically Zoom us your answers. So make sure that you're following the directions on those pages before you click. And next, I want to be in communication with you guys. I want to help you all in any way. If you get stuck, please feel free to contact me through email or Remind. I would prefer that you not send any texts before 8 o'clock or past about 6 in the afternoon, 6 in the evening. I'm going to be able to get to you as soon as I can, at least 30 minutes. Should be a good time frame for me to respond back. So if you get stuck on anything, if something doesn't work, you know how technology works sometimes, just move on to the next part. And then I will get back to you as soon as I can. And then you can always go back. These are all self-paced learning opportunities for you, so you'll be able to do so. Let's see, what else did I need to talk to you about? Let me know if something doesn't work or you would like me to do something different in the future. We're all new at this. We are, taking care of our households too. And we're working hard to get everything that you need to, make a full year of this and making sure that you're ready for high school. And we'd much rather be in the classroom with you, that is for sure. So if you have any questions or comments, please contact me, like I said, through email or Remind. And hopefully I'll look forward to seeing you all again. Look forward to perhaps next week or the week after having video conferences on a program called Zoom. They're not going to be mandatory or anything like that. I just thought that if you had questions or wanted to chat as a class or as a group, that we could definitely do that. And if you miss them, it's okay. It's okay. Let your parents know to keep up on their emails. The district's sending out a lot of information that will be helpful to them and helpful to you as well. So I'll see you soon till the next video. Thanks a lot, everybody. Stay safe. We miss you. And we'll talk to you soon.